with my trustworthy friend AnyMedusa, who is just coming over. Hi there, Annie. Sadly, because we couldn't hear Annie before in the other video, yeah, Annie's not really talking because we couldn't hear him before, so yeah, sorry, and let the fun begin. Basically, this is just a I've forgotten my words. This is a bonfire special, a bonfire night special, and yeah, ready whenever you are, Medusa. You didn't set it tonight. Yay! That's the first. I've forgotten my words. That is the first special for tonight, and that was totally beautiful, wasn't it? I've lost Medusa. Oh, there. We wasn't ready, Medusa. Yes. Yay. Hi. Oh, I just lagged. Over here we go to follow and see what Medusa's got in store for us next. Mahahaha. Fun, right? Kapoof. Fun little kapoofs for you. Yay! Oh. Thank you for that, Medusa. And now for the final part, I think. By the way, this was something Medusa did all by himself. So yeah. Oh, over here, I think. And now we just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Yay! Medusa, I'm getting too much glare again. Even with the light off. Maybe if I made some settings so that, maybe, because I can change the video and that. Yeah, sorry if you guys can't see it very clearly, but yeah, I had to make some adjustments to the video, so it's better than it was before, but pretty little bonfire. There we go, there's no glare now. I bet you that fire is warm. Well, obviously, because it's fire. Oh, we just got night vision. Thank you. Oh, no more glare. Yay. Did you So, 1 second. So, Annie hit me, and I will be getting my revenge, which he does not know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the bonfire. Okay. Apparently we've got to wait for a second. It's so orange. I thought fire was a kind of red. Okay, let's see what Annie said. Okay. Let us come and see what is happening. It's not the end yet. Kaboof! Oh, got a bit too close then. Now that is what I call amazing. And I know those weren't fireworks or anything, but you got to admit it was still beautiful, right? Thank you. Let us go and see what AnyMedusa has written for us. Oh, wrong thing. And that is the end of the video. Nearly. I have a surprise for Annie now. And like I said to you guys, which Annie does not know. Oh, damn it. That's what you get for hitting me twice. You get to hit back. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. AnyMedusa says goodbye as well, as you see right there. I hope you all had a great bonfire night, and I hope you stayed safe. Comment down below how your night was tonight, and if you enjoyed our little video. Goodbye and take care.